Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be opening up this 4-pack of 2025 update with the yellow rookie card right there. So last one wasn't so bad. I got a purple and black of him. So let's see if this one does just as good, if not better, like maybe his teammate. I'll just put him right there for now. So 4 packs. Well, let's get going. Thank everybody for liking, subscribing, and commenting. Baseball support has actually been pretty good since this is new to me. I have no idea what the chase cards are in this set, but I know if I get a King of Cards, I'll be happy, or a gold mirror. This one came from Walgreens. It was $3 cheaper than the CVS one. So, flip her over. Chisholm Jr. and Byron Buxton. Pretty good. Nice and shiny. Got some foil. Right there. Pack number 2. Figured I'd just make a base stack for the non-rookies and then the rookie stack and then put the shinies up there. I'll do a little research after this and see what the chase cards were for update. I know the names, the big names. Okay, flip it. Stars of the MLB, we got Butler, and then next shiny card is Fernando Tatis Jr. Not bad. I think I got him the last time, maybe. 2 packs to go. Give me a golden mirror or a King of Cards or an Ace of Cards. I'll take an Ace of Cards. Nope, not in this one. Those jerseys, I like them. Or no Tani. Oh, wrong stack. Getting excited. Matt Shaw, I've heard that name. Cruz, Lewis, Kyle Hart, Sagano, a lot of rookies. Higashioka, maybe, probably butchered. I think we got another one of those black and pinks. Ooh, not black and pink. It's a Mookie Betts bets on black and gold. It's nice. I like that. Trying to figure out what team I want to collect. I was thinking Reds because, you know, it's right next door. But I seem to pull a lot of Dodger cards. That might be a sign. Be an expensive sign, but it would be a sign. Last pack. Yeah. Hunter Big. McGreevy. Let him eat. Stay classy, San Diego. Rooker. Dalton Rushing. Last card. A shiny Chris Sale. So, yet again, for 2025 update, fair amount of rookies, more than regular base. And then we got a Chris Sales on the All-Star game on the Holo Foil, and a Fernando Tatis Jr. on the All-Star Holo Foil. A Burton Buxton on the 35th, 1990 foil, yellow back, not numbered. And then we got this black and gold of Mookie Betts, and a yellow parallel of Roki Sasaki. Pretty cool. Ooh. See anything you like? Link will be in the description for my eBay. Remember, like, comment, and subscribe. That'd be awesome. Let me know what you think of this video, and maybe I'll do a bigger selection of these, like 3 versus 3 from CVS to Walgreens. Let me know.